welcome to TurboGrid. Excessive demand of affordable SUVs has resulted in a total of 10 products in the subcompact SUV space. Kia Sonet and Hyundai Venue are solid offerings from the Koreans, and together they account for around one-third sales in this segment. Kia Sonet recently shuffled its variant and got a price hike with the launch of new logo. Hyundai Venue also got a price hike last month. So we thought of comparing the updated offerings by both the manufacturers. In this video, we will do a detailed variant by variant comparison so that you can have a clear idea about which car and variant would be the right value for you. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. But before we go ahead, for more such videos, remember to subscribe TurboGrid and don't forget to hit the bell icon. First, let's talk about design. Although design is subjective, but without a doubt, anyone can say that both the cars are a looker. Both cars are very well proportioned and handsome looking vehicles. Out of the two, Sonet is more aggressive looking vehicle. Design of Venue is more subtle, especially from the rear. Tell us in the comments below which car do you find more attractive. If we talk about interiors, both the cars offer best materials in terms of plastic quality and fit and finish in this segment. Though we prefer the dashboard of Sonet, but we like the good tactile feel of the AC rotary knobs on the Venue. Now let's look at the color options. Both cars come in 7 single-tone colors. Venue offers 2 dual-tone options, whereas Sonet offers 3. First we have white, then silver, then grey, red, blue, black and deep forest, which is very dark green, lastly gold and orange. In dual-tone options, first we have white and black, then we have red and black in Sonet, and grey and black in Venue. And lastly, we have gold with black in Sonet. Our top picks are Deep Forest and Denim Blue in Venue and Intense Red in Sonet. Now let's move to size. As both the cars belong to subcompact category, both of them are close to 4 meters long. Sonet is marginally broader and taller and manages to give a stronger stance than Venue. Both the cars come with same 2500mm wheelbase, but Sonet has a ground clearance 15mm more than Venue. In this segment, at 209mm, only Tata Nexon has more ground clearance than Sonet. Sonet also provides 42 liters of extra boot space. Now let's talk about engine options. Both the cars are offered in 2 petrol engines and 1 diesel engine. First, we have the 4-cylinder naturally aspirated 1.2-liter petrol motor, which generates 83 bhp of power at 115 Nm of peak torque. This one is available only with 5-speed manual transmission in both the cars. The other petrol engine that we have is a 3-cylinder 1-liter turbo motor which generates 120 bhp of power at 172 Nm of peak torque. This engine is available with 6-speed IMT, which is a clutchless manual gearbox, and a 7-speed DCT in both the cars. Hyundai Venue also offers a regular 6-speed manual gearbox, which is missing in Kia Sonet. Lastly, we have a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder diesel motor which generates 100 bhp of power at 240 Nm of peak torque. This engine is available with 6-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic torque converter in Kia Sonet. Whereas the option of automatic is missing in Hyundai Venue. So for the people who are looking for an automatic diesel, Hyundai Venue is not an option. Let's now move on to variant-wise comparison. Sonet HTE versus Venue E. First, we have the base variants. This variant is available with 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine and 1.5-liter diesel engine in both the cars. Option of turbo petrol is not available in this variant. And this is the only variant where Venue is expensive than Sonet. Let's take a look at key features of this variant. On the safety front, both cars get ABS with EBD as standard. Also, rear parking sensors are on offer from the base variant itself. If you look at the front profile of both the cars, you will get halogen headlamps. Tail lamps are also halogen in this variant. The other thing to notice is, unlike other variants, which get 16-inch wheels, the base variant of both the cars get 15-inch steel wheels with wheel covers. On the inside, there is no infotainment or speakers in this variant. Also, AC is manual in both the cars. One feature which Venue gets but is missing in Sonet is ISOFIX. Sonet also offers certain exclusive features like integrated front armrest with rear AC vents. Sonet also gets electrically adjustable ORVMs, but they are not power folding in this variant. Here is the list of all the common features in this variant. Both the cars get only front power windows. Also, you get a regular key and not a smart key. Sonnet exclusive features. Venue exclusive features. Now let's move to our next variant. Sonnet HTK versus Venue S. In this variant, just like the base, Sonnet is only available with a manual transmission with 1.2 litre naturally aspirated petrol engine and 1.5 litre diesel engine. However, Venue starts getting an option of turbo petrol engine from this variant. Turbo engine is available with a manual or a DCT. IMT is not an offer in this variant. In this variant, Sonnet is close to 1 lakh more expensive than the base variant, and the amount of additional features on offer are not worth that much. So we suggest if you're tight on budget, please go ahead with the base variant and you can get additional features fitted aftermarket. However, if you want a low budget powerful turbo petrol motor, then you can go for Venue. Let's take a look at key features of this variant. Venue gets updated with chrome front grille and roof rails, which Sonnet misses out. But instead, Sonnet gets 16-inch styled wheels, which are just better looking wheel caps. But halogen setup in headlamps and tail lamps continues in this variant as well. On the interior, both cars get updated with 2-din infotainment system, where Sonnet gets just 4 speakers and Venue gets 6. And now, just like Sonnet, Venue also gets electrically adjustable ORVMs, front armrest and rear AC vents. Some other features which only Venue gets in this variant are driver window auto up-down, rear parcel tray and rear defogger. Here is the list of all the common features in this variant. The highlighted ones are the new features updated by both the cars. Both the cars get keyless entry from this variant onwards. Also, power windows are available in rear seats. Sonnet exclusive features. Sonnet starts offering semi-leatherite seats, whereas Venue still offers fabric. Venue exclusive features. Now let's move to our next variant. Sonnet HTK Plus versus Venue S Plus. This is the variant from where it starts making more sense. But unfortunately, Venue is just available with one configuration in this variant. Sonnet gets an IMT with turbo engine from this variant. IMT is a semi-automatic gearbox and we really like it as it gives you best of both the worlds with minor sacrifices. You get thrill of a manual and convenience of an automatic at very minimal additional cost over manual transmission. But for a most recommended variant, wait for the next one. Let's take a look at key features of this variant. On the front, Venue gets updated with projector headlamps and LED DRLs. Tail lamps are also LED now. Sonnet, on the other hand, gets updated chrome grille and roof rails which were present on Venue since previous variants. On the inside, biggest change is 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Also, both the cars now come with automatic AC. Some other notable features which both cars update in this variant are electrically folding side mirrors, driver seat height adjust, and projector fog lamps. Here is the list of all the common features in this variant. Both the cars get rear view camera and auto headlamps. Sonnet exclusive features. There are certain features which Sonnet gets, but they are not available with 1.2 litre naturally aspirated engine. Venue exclusive features. Now let's move to our next variant. Sonnet HTX versus Venue SX SX Plus. This is the variant which sits just below the top variant and it is also the most recommended variant for us for both the cars. This variant is 50 to 60,000 expensive than the previous variant, but you get a lot of features for that. Neither Sonnet nor Venue is offered with 1.2 litre naturally aspirated engine in this variant. From this variant onwards, Sonnet starts offering automatic with petrol as well as diesel engine. If we talk about Venue, there are 3 key highlights in this. 1. Venue is offering IMT at no additional cost over the manual in this variant. So we highly recommend our buyers to take the benefit and definitely go for IMT option. Second, this is the SX trim, but in this trim, Venue offers its DCT petrol engine as SX Plus because it gets certain additional features of the regular SX model. And also, that is why it is the only combination where Venue is expensive than Sonnet by 60,000. Third thing to highlight is that Venue starts offering a sports trim from this variant itself. It is just like GT line of Sonnet. And Sonnet's GT line comes only in top variant, whereas Venue offers sports trim in 2 top variants. This trim gets cosmetic upgrades like red highlights, and we will discuss this in detail in next variant along with Sonnet's GT line. Key features that both cars gets updated, which are electric sunroofs, 16-inch alloy wheels, cruise control and paddle shifters. Some features with which Sonet gets updated are LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, LED tail lamps and a dual muffler design on the bumper. Please note Venue comes with the LED setup from the previous variants itself. Some features which are exclusive to Sonet are driving modes, rear passenger sunshade curtain and a dual tone interior theme. Here is the list of all the common features in this variant. Sonet also gets ISOFIX in this variant. Sonet exclusive features. Venue exclusive features. Now let's move to our final variant. Sonet HTX Plus GTX Plus versus Venue SXO. This is the top variant. It costs around 12.5 to 15 lakhs on road for these cars. At this price, we suggest you to skip them and consider moving to a segment above to cars like Creta or Seltos. From the previous variants, they are around 1.5 lakhs expensive and we feel that additional features do not justify this price rise. Although they come with some really good features, but we believe they can be avoided. In this variant, Sonet also comes with a GTX Plus trim. And unlike the Venue Sports trim, which offers just cosmetic upgrades, GTX Plus trim also offers some key additional features. So before we move to all the features of our top variants, first let's have a look at the Venue Sport and Sonet's GTX Plus trim. This is Venue Sports trim. It gets a grey with black roof dual tone paint option. Also, it gets red inserts all around the cabin. And this is Sonet GTX Plus trim. This also gets a glossy black and red sports theme lining on the outside. And on the inside, it gets all black interior with red stitching all around the cabin. But apart from just these cosmetic upgrades, GTX Plus trim also gets some features which HTX Plus does not get. Key 3 features are front parking sensor, wireless phone charger, and 6 airbags. Now let's get back to comparing all the features of the top variants of these two cars. Certain key features where Sonet shines are these. Sonet gets a 10.25-inch touchscreen, whereas Venue gets just 8-inch. Both the cars get connected car technology, but Venue gets 33 connected car features, whereas Sonet gets 58 connected car features. Then Sonet gets ventilated front seats and premium Bose surround speaker system. Both the cars get air purifier, but where Venue gets just an additional purifier placed in a cup holder, Sonet gets a proper integrated air purifier with virus protection. Sonet also gets a 4.2-inch digital instrument cluster in this variant. There are few features which Venue also gets and are missing in Sonet. Here is a list of all the common features in this variant. Sonet exclusive features. Venue exclusive features. And here's a final word on both the cars. Sonet's top variant gets really cool features and the GTX line also looks very smart. But the starting price of GTX line is close to 14 lakhs on road. And if you are willing to spend that much for the additional features, please go ahead. But our recommendation would be to go for Sonet's HTX or Venue's SX variant. This will cost around 11 to 12 lakhs on road and you also will be able to get all the necessary modern day features. But if you're tight on budget and still want a trustable subcompact SUV, we recommend you to buy the base variants of these cars and get features added as per your requirement. For attracting the audience, both the companies have kept starting price of these cars really low. You can also consider Renault Kiger or Nissan Magnite as they are much cheaper SUVs compared to these two. For the detailed video, please check the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.